Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: latest app, signed-in account, and backup and sync active so shots upload. Once done, open Google Photos and tap your profile picture, then go to Photos settings. Make sure the app language and region allow face grouping. Some regions disable it. Now look for Group Similar Faces and toggle it on. This first step seeds the system with images. It's necessary so Google can analyze and cluster faces automatically as new photos arrive. Once face grouping runs, go to Albums and open People and Pets to see detected clusters. Tap a cluster to review suggested photos, confirm correct matches, and remove any incorrect ones so the model learns your corrections. Use the three-dot menu to merge two clusters that belong to the same person. This improves future suggestions. Make sure to name key people so searches work. These middle steps refine accuracy by correcting false positives and consolidating fragmented groups. To finish, name any remaining groups and test by searching a name or tapping a face icon. Google will surface matching photos. Make sure device syncing is complete across your devices and verify settings if some faces don't appear. If accuracy lags, toggle Group Similar Faces off and on to force a fresh pass, or uninstall and reinstall the app to clear corrupt caches. If privacy is a concern, you can disable face grouping anytime in Photos settings to stop face processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.